Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be presenting our integrated project. My name is ATIKAH AZMAN. My metric number is 13 DDT 19F 2006.
My name is AHNAF AZLAN. My metric number is 13 DDT 19F 2012.
My name is DANIAL ZULHAKIM bin NORAZMAN. My metric number is 13 DDT 19F 2040.
This is our table of contents. We will start with introduction. As we all know, COVID-19 is one of the worst problems in modern history that has impacted education everywhere. Therefore, we were required to keep updating our health status, including both students and staff. They may return if their health has improved. Thus, PSMZA Covid-19 Management System is born to keep daily track records and store COVID-related data. Moving on to problem statement. After doing some research, we found three major problems as to why PSMZA Covid-19 Management System must be created as soon as possible. The first problem is, it is still a manual system. This causes overloading messages every day every time new cases or updates occurred. We are afraid that some cases might be overlooked due to the standard manual system. Next, students may fake their health status information in order to be absent from the class. And finally, having difficulty to retrieve records if they have the exact same information. Proceed to our objectives. We were required to study the requirement before making the system. Next, making design and develop it for the system. And lastly, conduct testing on system.
Next is scope. Our system has two scopes, which is user scope and system scope. Starting with user scope, we have three user scopes such as admin, staff, and student. For admin, admin has authority to manage staff and student menu. It means admin has all the features in staff and student menu. Next, staff. Staff able to manage and organize to the system. Staff can approve the form application from student. And lastly, student able to update health information and their whereabouts. Student can fill in the form with evidence. Next, system scope. We have three systems same as user scope, such as admin, staff, and student. For admin manage staff and student information, view daily information, manage system security, and handle COVID-19 information, cases, and status. Next, staff. Staff can log in using ID and password. Also, staff information admission, manage students information, and view daily students information. And lastly, student will log in using metric number and password. Next is student information admission, and lastly update information using menu. Moving on, We have project significance. We have 4 project significance, which is easy to use, quick access, minimize error, and effective system. Number 1 is easy to use. Our system is user-friendly for user. User is familiar with our interface and easy to navigate through pages. Next, quick access. Can access anytime through phone or computer. User can also use our system anywhere they wanted to. Moving on, minimize error. Our system increases the efficiency of the data. And fourth, provide better data management system. Our system manage data with thorough.
Next, moving on to literature review. So our first literature review is MySejahtera. We choose MySejahtera as our first literature review because this application is going to be similar with our own system. Next is PSMZA SPMP. We use this system as our reference to create layout for admin, staff, student page, and other pages. So basically, we just take it as an idea, but we use our own design to make it different with the PSMZA SPMP system. Next is PSMZA Learning CDOS system. The reason why we choose this website as our literature review because this website generates more ideas for us to make our project more interactive. And the last one is methodology. We have 5 phases in methodology. The first one is planning. Second one is analysis. The third one is design. And then implementation. And the last one, operation and maintenance. For the first phase, which is planning, we identify the problems or needs of information. Next, for analysis, we gather enough information for the system to be developed through interviews and etc. We determine needs of software and hardware requirements. Moving on to design, we propose to design PSMZA Covid-19 Management System. We make it user-friendly and easy to use. We use MySQL for database and ERD drone to show system flow. Next, for implementation, each unit is developed and tested for functionality, referred as unit testing. And the last one is operation and maintenance. We release patch to fix emerged issues and deliver changes in customers' environment. That's all from us. Thank you.